Hello everyone, this is Shashi from Shashi Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about the full stack development, particularly front-end development. In that, the HTML. We shall start with an introduction of an HTML. Before going to the introduction, generally each and every person's life or many of the person's life, many people's life begin with one or the other web application. Either it may be a Facebook or Instagram, WhatsApp, or it may be when you're buying something on the online, you're using a Flipkart or Amazon or Myntra and so on. Do you know how these web applications are made or how these web applications are developed? These web applications are developed with the help of HTML, which is abbreviated as a hypertext markup language. This HTML was developed by a great person in the 1993 by name called as a Tim Berners-Lee. Do you know he was also a inventor of one more thing which is called as a WWW, World Wide Web. He is the person who invented the WWW. So we shall see what is this HTML. What is this HTML? In this HTML is a markup language which is used to create an electronic page, which is used to create an electronic document. What is this electronic document? This electronic document is also called as a web pages, which are used to display on the web browser. Then one more question arises in your mind. What is this markup language? Is this a programming language? No, this is not a programming language. It is a computer language. Particularly, we can say it is a browser language. Markup language is a browser language that contains easily understandable words. It may be keywords, names, or tags that helps to arrange or format the overall view of a page. Example: BBC, HTML, SGML, and XML. You know that these XML are used in the development of mobile applications. We shall see the versions of an HTML. The first version was released in the year, that is HTML 1.0 in the year 1991. The second version, HTML 2.0, was released in the year 1995. Whereas the third version, HTML 3.2, was released in the year 1997. You may be thinking, where is this HTML 3.0? There was a problem with the HTML 3.0, so that they did not release it. Directly they have released the HTML 3.2 in the year 1997. Similar way, the HTML 4.01 was released in the year 1999 and XHTML was released in the year 2000. The latest version what we are currently using, that is HTML5, was released in the year 2014. From 2014 we are using HTML5. You may be thinking, why this HTML? What is this HTML? Why do we need this HTML? This HTML is needed to format a text or an image on the internet browser. You may be thinking, what is this formatting of text and image? This HTML is also called as a bone of a web browser. Can you imagine your body without any bone? No, you cannot, because the bone is the thing which is going to give a structure to your body. In a similar way, if you want to provide a structure to the web application, you must have a HTML. The next point says that only it provides the basic structure of a page. Without the HTML, browser would not know how to display the text as element or load the images or other elements. Without HTML, the browser don't know how to format the text elements or images on the browser and how to display these images and the text on the browser. We shall see some of the HTML editors. We can easily edit it with a notepad, or we can use the atom, or you can use the brackets, or you can use Sublime or Visual Studio. In this series of video, I am using a Visual Studio Code. Why, I will tell later. Let us see how to create a HTML page. You need not do anything. You should write a code using you write a code using one of the editors. It may be Notepad, Atom, Brackets, Sublime Text, or Visual Studio. You can use anyone, and you should write a code in that by using that editors. Then you need to save with a .html extension, .html or .htm extension. Then we need to open that file with the help of a web browser. Either it may be Google Chrome or Mozilla or Opera. anything which you like. And we shall see the basic structure of an HTML. As we are a human being, we have the basic structure. It includes head and the body. It includes head as well as the body. In a similar way, HTML also includes head and the body. In the head, we are going to use the title tag, whereas in the body, we are using some tags like it may be a paragraph tag, image tag, or break tag, and so on. And we are using a doc type HTML. This doc type HTML tells that which version of the HTML currently you are using in this HTML page. It tells that the exclamatory mark tells that we are using a HTML version 5. We are using a version 5, HTML version 5. And this HTML stores the document specifies the metadata information. This HTML specifies the metadata information. Okay, what are the advantages of an HTML? HTML is easy to learn and use. Even a small children with a basic knowledge of English can learn the HTML easily and support all the browser. It supports all the browser. Any browser, you may take Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, any browser you can take. It will support. Then it can interact with the other languages like CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, TypeScript, and so on. It can interact with other languages. We shall see the advantages of the Visual Studio. Why I have taken the Visual Studio in order to edit the code. First is it is live preview. We can as soon as you write the code, it will be displayed directly on the browser. You need not to refresh the browser every time, each and every time. It is freely downloadable. It is freely downloadable. So I think excellent graphic user interface. It has a good graphic user interface and it is easy to code. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. In the further video, we will be discussing more about the HTML. Thank you.